Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I would like to talk about more about screen time. Right, so this is gonna be another controversial video, but I don't care. So it's just not healthy. The smartphone is not a communications device. It's purely used on entertainment on different formats. Usually we are talking about the usual suspects. So TikTok, Snapchat Spotlight, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, basic Instagram, Netflix, Spotify, mobile games. If I missed something, write it down below. Yeah. So I hope that there will be no LinkedIn equivalent for the short-term contact, but that would be actually quite cool name for the LinkedIn short-term content. So LinkedIn equivalent. So Satya Nadella, if you're watching this, let's meet, give me a call or contact me in the details below. Thanks. Okay, thanks for the topic. I mean, back to the topic. So if you make money on creating, that's the keyword, creating entertainment and making money of it, great, keep going. You are probably something like 0.001% of the population, maybe even less. The percentage this person's percentage is an educated guess. But if you're not, this is usually the case, then just delete all the apps that I mentioned that are related to entertainment, social media, or something like a similar stupid time wasting. But then you always could ask, but what would I do when I commute? Okay, read a book that you are interested about that make you money in the future. If you commute by car, then and you have to drive it, then it's not the best idea. So then use audiobooks. Okay, so to be honest, I'm right. I don't know how to say it. So let me put it to you this way. To be honest, I'm right now. I'm like a one-man army on this mission. The mission is to cut screen time globally 90%. If you want my help, then translate this video. I mean, if you want to help me, then translate this video to your language and pass it on to the country where you live. So especially I would like to do this video on Mandarin Chinese or Indian language, but because there's a lot of people speak Mandarin Chinese and Indian language, maybe Cantonese Chinese as well. Never know. Okay, still, but unfortunately, you guys don't know how much you're using your smartphone, and it takes away a lot of your time in the future. So and also in important things. So something like your kids, your loved ones, your work, your personal mission here on planet Earth, and so on and so on. You just don't get it until it's too late. And when it's too late, well, the devil will take your heads. Yeah. That's what I wanted to talk about today. Now I would like to ramble once again about tea. So here I have some green tea. Here. Yeah, I think the temperature is just perfect. So the thing that I want to do right now is put the tea bag in the bin. Unfortunately there is no recycling, but maybe somebody in this hotel can do it for me. I don't know. Cheers. And this tea is green tea Biluo. I don't know how to pronounce that, but you can correct me. Or you can actually do a video about it. That Mikko Tuomi cannot. What would be the title? Mikko Tuomi cannot pronounce Chinese properly, especially with T's. And then you can put that soundbite to your YouTube short or TikTok. I don't know. There's a good content creation idea for you because like I said, the all screen time is pretty much useless. Yeah. All right, this tea, this is actually really good, really good. I have to sip another one. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you have a pleasant day, and you can subscribe if you want to. No need to. This is a free country. I'm not a something like a dictator, so you can do whatever you want. I'm just giving you something like good advices on how to improve yourself by letting go the screen time. Excuse me. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, check these videos, and so on. Thanks. Bye.